Big, ain't Tom?
It's a skate though, I'm sure. I don't know.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
That's a skate. I don't know.
Whatever it is, you're the star of the show right now. So
It's a big son of a bitch, whatever it is. I'll tell you what. Got that freaking little rod bent the fuck over.
I've had this thing bent into the water before. Shit's going under the boot.
oh boy,
He'll come out.
he's pulling, man.
Good God Almighty. Oh, he's got lines wrapped up there.
Nothing else we need to see him, huh? That dude was running at the boat, wasn't he?
Oh shit, it's a Cobia.
Oh wow!
It is a fucking good. Reel your line in, bro. Get the net. Get the fucking net.
He's pulling, wasn't he?
Sorry, Fred, I want to let you
No, man, this is great.
No, but that's not, I've never seen him do this.
No,
I'm
hey,
not
this
an
is great.
expert. I'm not an expert, but I've never
Hey,
seen
you know what? This is great.
I ain't never seen like that either.
He's pulling hard, wasn't he?
That's how these fuckers fight, buddy. You ain't gonna lose this bitch. I got news for you.
I'm taking my time.
Billy, go to the other side of the boat. Sorry.
Stay right out of the way.
That's a serious pull, isn't it?
Oh, you fucking fish. Big fucking fish.
Wow, that is a monster. Holy crap, dude. Wow, that's big.
So you gotta measure that motherfucker.
Wow.
I'm trying to, buddy.
Wow, that's cool, man.
What the? I've never seen a Cobia do
Neither
that.
have I.
With a skate.
Usually they shoot right to the top. That hooked that on.
That's a big fish, man.
Yeah,
Ain't it?
take this. Here, but no, hold on.
Here's a hook right here. You gotta open that box behind you there, Fred.
No, I'm gonna measure it first.
Oh, you gonna measure?
Yeah.
Oh, you God. Get the hell out of here.
Bro, what have we got?
He's powerful, isn't he?
Oh yeah. And they're sliding, so you can't like be picking them up and shit.
You need industrial strength fish grippers.
It's because I'm twisting it, probably. Give me that rag.
Here's the rag.
Well, that's a towel.
Want a rag?
We got it?
Yeah. 50 inches.
Yeah, ain't even
Well, no,
tail.
46.
40.
Wow.
Huh?
46.
That's neat.
It's 46. Damn. That's my biggest one I've ever caught.
That's cool.